did this.
I was gonna make a video about how cool and like swaggy and stuff that I am, and I have part of a rap that I've written, but I don't think that I'm drugged enough to do it at this moment. I'm actually like really self-conscious about my voice right now, which does not usually happen when I'm on lots of medication. But I think, oh, I'm really sleepy. I look really gross. Oh, my face is so red. Okay, how about this? How about, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go stop this, and then I'm gonna sing you guys part of a song. It's gonna be a lullaby, okay? Alright, I'm gonna do that. So, I'll be back in a flash. See, that was really funny, right? Oh, look at, oh no, oh, geez. Oh, I don't know what to, I'm actually like super self-conscious now. Because I didn't take any of my anxiety meds or anything today. Oh god, I look terrible in t-shirts. Oh no, this isn't good. This is bad. This is bad. Um, hmm, um, just we'll have a brief interlude. Um, um, can I just? Oh fuck! How do I even use this? Windows 8 is really confusing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. I like tried to get all comfy. I was like, I'm gonna put on like my favorite, really comfy shirts. I want to own 30 days worth of grandpa t-shirts, so I can have different ones for every day of the month, except for 31 day month, whatever. This is part of my grandpa collection, and I've got my like really comfy nacho pants on. And I was supposed to be all comfy, and I was gonna sing you a song, and now I just feel awkward. Okay, alright, I got this. It's just, okay, alright. I'm gonna sing you guys a beautiful song. It's gonna be really beautiful. Actually, I'm only gonna sing part of it because halfway through I'm gonna get bored. I know this is bad effect thing. Okay. It was so much easier before. I felt so cool with all my face things. Okay. Should I get closer? Will that make it worse? Should I? Oh no. What do I turn the light on? No. I thought I looked so cute earlier. Okay. All right. Maybe I just don't look at myself. Maybe I just look at my wall. Okay. Long time ago, in a galaxy far away, Nabu was under an attack. And I thought me and Qui-Gon Jinn could talk the Federation into maybe cutting them a little slack. Their response, it didn't thrill us. They locked the doors and tried to kill us. We escaped from that gas and met Jar Jar and Boss Nass. We took a bongo from the scene and we went to see the Queen. We all wound up on Tatooine. That's where we found this boy. My, this here Anakin guy. Maybe Vader someday later, now he's just a small fry. He left his home and kissed his mommy goodbye, saying soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. Soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. Did you know the junkyard slave isn't even old enough to shave? But he can use the force to save. And all the youth see him hitting on the queen, though he's just 9 and she's 14. Yeah, he's probably gonna marry her someday. Well, I know we will see 3PO and I burned how fast his body can go, and we were broke and true. So we made a wager or two. Ooh, off the freezing best and flying ace. The minute Java started off that race, well, I knew who went first place. So yeah, it was our boy. We started singing my, this here Anakin guy. Maybe baby someday later, now we just not right. He left his home and kissed his mommy goodbye, saying soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. Soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. The conclusion to be drawn from this is that I shouldn't try to do things unmedicated ever. It just makes me feel bad and self-conscious and icky, and it's the first day in a while that I didn't take most of them, so I kind of forgot what that feeling was like. But it sucks. It sucks. Take pills. Don't. I mean, unless you're not. Just you know what? Don't listen to me. I'm not a good role model. Just don't listen to me.